Recording live from the booth, fellas. So basically, guys, what is going on right now is we are sanding down some base coat, and there's been a whole mess of stuff that has been going on lately. I had the bay pretty much prepped for mid coat, and there was like one little area that needed paint, so I had to go to Napa to grab some paint. And anyways, I get there and I'm telling them, yeah, I bought paint from you guys before. I bought it for a spray gun. I bought a little pint. The lady at the paint section's like, yeah, just buy a little aerosol can. And I'm like, well, will that blend properly? Because it's got the Clair in it and it's different, like, it's out of an aerosol can, so it's different, like, material. She's like, oh, no, it blends perfect. It's great. So I got it. I sprayed it. And it completely just, like, ruined the paint job. It didn't... Sprayed a different color. It came out with clear coat like I didn't want it to. And basically I had to sand that all down and restart from the jump. And when I sanded it down, almost to the primer, and for some reason that clear coat that was on there just didn't seem to want to leave. So I could still see it kind of seeping through my base coat, which kind of sucks after all the work I put in. But I'm hoping once the mid coat and clear is on there to seal it all up, I'm hoping you won't even notice. Right now, we are just sanding down the bay and prepping her for mid coat. I might put a little bit more base before then, but for the most part, we are ready. We are ready, boys. Cannot wait to see an engine in here with the Roadtrax, the C38, fully fabbed up with the pie cuts. Stay tuned, boys. Let's get this. Here's a little look at what I'm talking about, guys. I left the light off for this one, just this light, that way you guys could see. See that little reflection right there? That's like the clear coat seeping through from the aerosol can. And it's messed up because I sprayed the whole thing with a spray gun. Then I did one layer with the aerosol can. Tried my best to sand it down back to the regular base. And then whacked it again with some more spray base out the gun. And still just... I can still see the clear. Damn you, Napa. So today is the day that I personally have been waiting for a long time now. There's been so much prep work that has gone into this bay, so much painting steps that have, unneeded steps that have gone into this bay. And today, first of all, I'm with Peas.
What's up, guys?
And second off, bay's right here. Lighting's a little weak, but basically, as you guys can see, the base coat is all laid down right now. And I got it sanded all down with some like 400 grit. It's very, very fine, so it's nice and soft to the touch. And right now, I got my paint gun all disassembled. Everything is cleaning off in some paint thinner. And once that's all set, got the mid coat right here. Just gotta mix that in with some reducer, and then gonna get the first layer of the mid coat on there, and hopefully it's looking good. It's the glass flakes. Right after this step, I'll be able to seal it off with some clear coat and get everything put back together. One other thing, just a little insider, what's going on behind the scenes. I've been wanting to get another project for a while now. I just haven't been too decisive on what I want to get. So one of you guys actually hit me up in the DMs. One of you guys that I've actually known for a little bit now, you know who you are. But they have offered me an SI. I will say it is an 8th gen. That's all I'm going to give you guys. I was offered a fairly good deal and something that I'm not sure I could pass up. So once I get those taxes in the next few weeks, you guys will see on this video. At the very least, I'm going to go and give it a check out and I will film that. But it's a very good possibility that I might be purchasing it. So stay tuned on that. Just a little insider. Just something to give you guys a little something to look forward to. Just wiping her down right now with some ISO. As I just stated, I got everything already sanded and I blew her off with my little blowgun right here. Pause. I just want to make sure I get all the dust and little debris that might have fallen down over the night from the blowgun. Just want to make sure I get everything off before the mid coat goes on. So just giving her some nice TLC right here, some nice strokes. Spring is here, baby. Sun is shining. Birds are actually chirping. And the bulb was out. That's how you know it's springtime. This baby don't see no salt. Neither does this one right here, right boys? This baby stays in pristine condition. Rinsing off all the parts of the gun. Got a couple more right in here. And this paint thinner. Actually, I think it's just a spring. I'll give you a little spritz. Alrighty. I think we're good to go, boys. Just got to dry these suckers off and mix some paint and get that thing layered on. Walking back into the booth, boys. We got our handy dandy measuring / mixing cup right here. Gun is all cleaned off. Connected to our air hose, ready for action. Let's get to mixing, let's get to painting. Look at those sparkles, guys. Those glass flakes are real. So this is our Midcoat right here, just giving her a nice little mix. Gonna combine it with a reducer. Got everything wiped off, just sealed off the entrance a little bit. Actually, gotta do a better job. She's already falling apart. She's perfect. Yeah, we're in business. Got everything loaded up. The glass flakes seem a little thick, so I'm hoping that everything will spray good. But when I did against the wall right there, not as much is coming out as the base coat, so I'm just gonna have to do layers a little heavier. But let's see how she goes. I'm ready to lay it down. I can already see the sparkles. It's looking good.
Ooh, look at that sparkle.
Sheesh. Damn, son.
Damn.
This shit gonna go hard, my boy. Jeez, I have worked up a sweat. As you guys see, my face is like red right now. I'm sweating. Hope you guys can hear me. I'm gonna try to turn up the audio for you, but it's a little muffled through this mask. Anyways, I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you guys a quick sneak peek at the first layer. In my opinion, it's already looking pretty damn good. You could definitely see the flakes. It's sparkling really good right now. So this is the first coat, guys. Look at those. You could definitely see the sparkles. Oh yeah. Looking really good. I don't think I went too heavy, but it definitely looks like it's pretty heavy. Hopefully it settles on there good. But let me know what you guys think. If I got any painters that are watching this, if you got any advice, feel free to shoot me some. I'm always looking for some constructive criticism. But as you guys see, progress is being made and she's not looking too shabby. So guys, that about wraps up today's video. It's been months in the making, but we finally got some Midcoat down and those flakes are absolutely sparkling in the bay. Yes, it's been months in the making, but at the same time, we just got all the parts that we needed. So it's really exciting to finally see this build come together. Honestly, everything just takes patience. If you're willing to wait and do everything the right way the first time, it is totally worth it in the end. So I hope you guys are just as excited as I am to finally see everything sort of not exactly come to life, but just to see the potential of what is soon to come. Stay tuned for the next video where we're gonna wrap up the bay, get everything dialed in, and have a little something going on behind the scenes right now, which I've already made moves on, and that does have something to do with my exhaust system. So I'm just gonna leave that as a little hinter for the next video. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a thumbs up, and if you want to keep up with the build, you know, hit that subscribe button. Anyways, guys, until the next video, thank you all for watching. Deuces.